Friends, hello, I hope you're well and had a wonderful day. Let's talk about this stock right here, Mullen Automotive, MULN ticker for this. So we talked about these guys yesterday, and I gave some bullet points that I had on these guys where listen, this stock right now, the stock, not so much the company I'm talking about, but the stock, if we can split this in half right here and look at the other side of the hand, the stock is on this teeter-totter situation right now where it is definitely in a dangerous place where it needs to find $1 real fast, or NASDAQ is going to come calling and saying like, hey, listen, you guys got to get to $1 or we're going to be talking about a reverse split. You need to file extensions, something like that. Now, those questions and those sentences are not being, said right now. But what is being said and seen right now is that when we look at the chart with this stock right now, for anybody that's been a part of the stock market for any time soon and they have watched something like a hawk, I mean, we've all had our stock, those stocks that we watch and we're like, okay, this is it. We watch it and it takes off. But I do believe stocks in general are like creatures of habit, where they do follow a lot of the same trailing with stocks that you see move up. So today in the market was kind of just, it sucked. I mean, well, we had the State of the Union last night. It did not go great. It was a very blah blah. So we expected today in the market to not really give much. Now we still got 2 more days here, but still they might be a washout just from what's already happened here. But I am hoping for the best and bullish that we could see something potential happening here in the market. We've had a decent market so far here in this new year, let's be honest, compared to what we've had the last even 4 months. Now, I'm not going to go into a candlestick chart, not right now at least, because I don't want to do that. That brings up other conversations. But what I do want to look at is just like this black and white chart right here, where we have a month, 30-day chart right now, where just on January 11th, we were sitting at a 40-cent mark. This thing ran up to 40 cents. It shot down to a 27 on January 19th. Then it ran back on the 25th to a 35. And then now, as of late, we're playing around this 42. So these are huge time spans, obviously. And, if you're a short seller, short trader, you're probably like, I don't want anything to do with this. But if you are somebody that is looking for a long-term play here into the future, looking for something to go into a bull market, for next year, we're already obviously in a bear market. We don't need any more. Please, Lord, no. This is where me personally, I am, really trying to put numbers together and really look at where Mullen Automotive is going here with their stock. And man, this thing looks like it is literally about to keep going. I'm not saying it's gonna like explode here, like skyrocket. What I'm looking at here is that we have mountains and hills being made. That's what really interests me, and we're coming in with big volume. Now today was a sell-off. Guys, I gotta be honest, if within 2 weeks here, a week or two, if we see this run to a 50-cent mark, I think that's going to be a dead giveaway that we are seeing something happen here. If we can see 50, I think that is like the writing on the wall. Okay, it's moving, we're going. We're probably going to see a 60, probably going to see a 70, 80, $1. Here we go. And then we'll get back and talking about what numbers we could possibly see. So with Mullen here, they have some news coming out here right now that their new official iGo electric vehicle, their EV vehicle here, has arrived in Ireland. Now, this news has not been 100% confirmed, but it is coming out with strong sources saying this is what's going on here, and it's getting a lot of people's attention. So we're not even in the actual news yet. So there's the kicker right there, is that when this news does actually drop that the car has been delivered and we see pictures of it, that right there is the gas to the pedal. We've already got the setup here. We're just waiting for the lighter to light the wick here, and then we're going. And that's what a lot of people are hoping for here. And right now they're talking about a potential big deal that might be going on here. So I promise I am not one of these people like telling you to buy something. I'm never going to personally tell you to buy something. I'm just going to tell you, like, please look at this as an investor to an investor, somebody, like, we all like making money. I think that's pretty obvious. really read what's going on here with this company. Look at the charts. Think of what could possibly be happening here. Maybe in the next 2 weeks, maybe in the next month when news finally drops here. Like I said, the company, the stock itself is in a very dangerous zone where it needs to get to $1. It needs to run to $1 for at least 10 consecutive days. But we are in some very hot water right now where this thing could do something big here. Now, like I said in the last video, there are a ton of EV companies right now. You can stretch your hand out into the stock market and you'll find an EV company. Everybody with, $1 billion has made an EV company at this point. But what is attracting people right now to Mullen is the fact that it is still very new, still very unknown, still very production. Like they haven't done a lot. They're still building quite a bit here. I'm not even saying like this is the next big EV company. I'm just saying the company is, and they're going to do something here. They're trying. They're not quitting. They're getting people's attention. They're going to sell cars. And for us as investors, this might be prime buying opportunity right now. So friends, Thursday, Friday, we'll see what happens here. Like I said, if this hits a 50, I really think that is a dead giveaway that we are running. We are running at 50. That is $0.50. We are going, and I don't believe it's going to stop. Like I said, I don't believe this is going to be like a fast run unless we have some heavy news drop here of a deal of something big happening. But friends, let me know what you're doing. This stock has really got my attention on what's going on and what's coming here, and it's honestly like at the top of my favorites right now, where I'm watching it, and I'm really excited about what's going to happen here. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish all of you the best of luck, and friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye everybody.